Hey there everyone, in this video I will show you how to set up OBS virtual camera. So let's get started. First of all, let me just show you real quick how you can do that. So for the first thing, what you need to do, you need to add the source. So let's just add the source by tapping on the plus icon right over here. Just tap on that, and if you want to just share screen, then you can go with the display capture. Then you need to click on OK, and from here you need to select your monitor. So if you have like multiple monitor, you can select one of them. Just I have the primary monitor like LG, so I will go with that. And if you want to share your mouse cursor moving, then you can just tick mark on the capture cursor, then hit on OK. And after that, if you have webcam on your PC, then what you need to do, you need to add the webcam. So how you can do that? Again, very simple. Just go with the plus icon right over here, tap on that, and from here you need to select the video capture device, then go with the OK. Then from here you need to select the webcam. So as you can see from the device, I will go with the webcam, and here is the webcam, which is Logitech C270 HD webcam. So I will go with this webcam. Alright, as you can see, my webcam is now turned on. Then I will go with OK. Then you need to adjust the placement of your webcam. You can simply just make it smaller like this, and you are probably done with your work. Then just tap on the start virtual camera option right over here. Just tap on that. And now let me just show you how you can just simply go and share your screen in any of the platform like Discord. After opening the Discord, let's just join a voice call. Like let's join this voice call right over here. And from here, let me just show you real quick how you can just send the virtual camera, OBS virtual camera. So let's just turn on the camera. And now from the camera settings, so how you can go the camera settings is here. Here is the camera settings, the down arrow menu. Just tap on this down arrow, and from here you can see many options like snap camera, Logitech, and OBS virtual camera. So you need to go with the OBS virtual camera, and now it's done. So in this video I have shown you how you can set up OBS virtual camera. So I hope this video will help you out. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if it worked, and I will catch you guys in the pretty next one. Have a great day.